So my internship this summer was in Warsaw. It was a summer camp. It was 11 weeks long. As an education major, you don't have to have an internship, and I never thought about having one because you have student teaching and you have placement, but my advisor actually approached me and asked me if I wanted to do it, and I thought, why not? It was a good experience. I stayed here for free over the summer and just went to Warsaw every day and came back. Internships are a great way to learn more about your major and what you want to do when you graduate and have a career. I am a lot more practiced and capable of handling student behaviors than I was before. Like I said, the best practice is hands-on. Better experience for me dealing with all ages and all behaviors and all types of students. This internship specifically helped me with my leadership skills a lot because they gave me a lot of the reins. Like, they weren't always there or sometimes asked me to take control. My boss also told me I'm welcome back any summer. It doesn't have to be an internship anymore. If I wanted to work there next summer, I am more than welcome to. And then he said anytime I ever need a recommendation letter, so they offer that if you do a good job in your internship. You can read from a textbook a million times, but you're gonna get the best experience and the best learning in the field. So this was just another way to help me in my future career. I like to live by get comfortable being uncomfortable. So one thing I did this summer was I started taking Taekwondo lessons with the summer camp with some of my students, and it was an amazing experience. And I hope to get into it again one day because it was awesome and I had so much fun. My freshman year when I came here, I was like literally a hermit. I did not come out of my room. And now I'm the president of MAC. I'm on 2 sports teams. Like, get involved on campus. If that's joining one club, it will grow into many more, I promise you, because all these people are connected in so many different ways. You're gonna meet so many new people, make so many new friends. People did not know who I was freshman year, and I will see 10 people I know walking down the sidewalk now going to class. I just think anyone who comes to Manchester needs to get out of their bubble, get uncomfortable, because if you don't, your college experience you're not leaning into.